Okay, so we're going to start right off the bat with the DeWalt tools, the buy one get one free tool deals. I'll put the links to all of these buy one get one tool deals down in the video description, and I'll also put links to them in the view products button if I can get them to fit on there. And when you hit that button and it shows you, it spreads out and shows you the whole list of them that I can find on there. And if you order any tools through our links, those are affiliate links that we get a small commission for. So we thank you for supporting our channel in that manner. And as you can see, they got smart because just since last Black Friday of last year, they've added all these cages and everything. Alcatraz A block, as I call it. Okay, so the way that the DeWalt Tools buy one get one free tool deals work here is if you buy this battery starter kit, which is a 5 amp hour and a 2 amp hour and a charger for $199, then you get to choose from any one of these tools here for free. For example, your free tool here could be the circ saw. This is the DCS 565, which normally goes for $229. Or you could get the jigsaw, which goes for $239. So this is one of those cases where your free tool is actually worth more than the $199 that you're spending for the item that you have to buy to get the free tool. So I like that idea. And of course you could also get a 6 amp hour flex volt battery as one of your freebies. You can also get here the reciprocating saw, which is normally $229. You could get the angle grinder here, which is $199. It's the SDS rotary hammer. Those are great to have because I have the flex volt version of this rotary hammer, and that is awesome for chipping up tiles in your bathroom when you're remodeling and stuff. Oh, you get this little chipper bit that you stick on there and let's see, you can also get the string trimmer, or you can get the Tough System 2.0 light. You can get the drywall gun if you want, and this is the little drywall cutout tool, the little router tool. And then you can also get, speaking of routers, the regular DeWalt router right there. And don't forget, of course, the impact driver. So if you're in the market for any new tools, but maybe you also might want to get a couple of extra batteries, this is the type of buy one, get one free tool deal you want to get. Hey, but you know what though? I'm wondering, in previous years, didn't we have something like a 6 and a 4, or 2 5s, or 2 4s? I thought we've seen something like that in the past. It seems kind of weak, you know, to give you a 2.0 in there. Yeah, so let us know down in the comments below if you remember what they did in previous years. I'll have to pull out some of the older flyers and look. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, if you buy these other 2 combo kits here, one of these, you get to choose a free tool as well. So here on the Atomic Brushless 2-tool combo kit, you know, you'll get a hammer drill and an impact driver, and that with 2 batteries. If you buy that kit, you will also get a free tool. But what I think is a better kit to get right here would be the Flex Volt kit, because you get a 2-pack of the Flex Volt 6.0 amp hour batteries on there too. And then you can use those on your circular saws, your Flex Volt miter saws, that sort of thing. But that's a 3-tool combo kit right there. So here's that 3-tool combo kit with the 6 amp hour batteries in it. See, there's your 3 tools, and there's your 2 6 amp hour batteries, the Flex Volts. Remember, those are 60 volt batteries also. So you can use them as 60s or as 20s, so they'll work on either tool, which is great. They're very versatile. So that's the kit that if you pay $3.99 for it, you then get to choose one of these other DeWalt tools for free. The first one here is the DeWalt's Atomic 4-tool combo kit. And as you can see, it's normally $449, and they've got it down to $369. And this is another deal here that they often do at Black Friday timeframe. I took advantage of this deal a couple of years ago because that's how I acquired another Tough System box. So what's great about this deal is you have a 6-tool combo kit from DeWalt already in a Tough System box. It's the bottom box too. So it's the one that rolls. Yeah, and you can see the handle for it there. And if this is one of the newer versions, which it's hard to tell back there, but the handles, the telescopic handle will come all the way down lower so you can store it in the back of your pickup truck. So anyway, this one's $549, a great way to score 6 DeWalt tools that you can see right there on the box. So you're getting a circ saw, looks like a hammer drill, but I would double check it to make sure. impact driver, recip saw, grinder, and a palm sander. Pretty much anything your typical construction guy or handyman or DIYer would want to get, all in one ready to go rolling box. Love that deal, bought it, and very happy with it. And then lastly, the other super savings they're doing here is on this 8-tool kit right here. This is an 8-tool multi-kit. And so the difference between this one and the 6-tool that I just showed you is this oscillating multi-tool right here and the flashlight. So those are the 2 extra tools that are in this particular kit. And this one is $649. We're here in Lowe's checking out all of the latest Black Friday 2025 deals. And so here's those buy one get ones illustrated right here a little better. So you'll get 1 free tool if you buy the 2-pack of the batteries there. But if you want to spend a little more and get the 2-pack of the 5 amp hour batteries with the charger, you'll get 2 free tools. And if you really want to go all in and get the Mac Daddy, what I like about this is you're getting 2 of the 8 amp hour batteries with that yellow rapid charger. So that's a rapid charger right there, and it's very rare to find that in a kit. So that's a great score to get that kit. I picked up my rapid charger in a kit sometime in the past. And anyway, if you get that deal, you'll get 3 free tools. So there's your tools right there that you can choose from. So there's your 2-pack of the 4 amp hours, and that deal costs $199 there. And so this is the one that you will walk away with 1 free tool. And then over here is your 2-pack of the 5 amp hour batteries with the charger. That deal is $299, and you'll walk away with 2 free tools. And here is the Mac Daddy to end all Mac Daddies of battery starter kits right here. That's the one that's got the 2 8 amp hour batteries in it. So this is right there. That starter kit is $449, and if you get that, you'll get 3 free DeWalt tools, my friends. I was able to find a couple of different buy one get ones here. Okay, so if you buy any one of these select DeWalt tools, they will give you free a $169 value, the 5 amp hour battery. And it's also a great way to acquire more batteries. I always tell people, don't buy batteries just by themselves, because you'll spend the most amount of money possible. You always want to wait till there's buy one get one free tool deals on them. So you can either get the battery free, as I showed you up there, or you buy the starter kit with 2 batteries there and you get 2 free tools. That's how you do it. And those of you who like to get free miter saw stands are going to love this DeWalt deal. So they sometimes do this every year around Black Friday or Christmas time. And Black Friday 2025 is no different. Because check this out. See, we got a free DeWalt aluminum adjustable miter stand. And there's your item number right there. And this is when you purchase a DeWalt 12-inch 15 amp dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. That would be this guy right here. Now that deal was supposed to expire already in store, but I'll put a link to it online where it's still valid. Now, some of the Lowe stores have it much more organized here on the display to help you decide which kit should you get and which tool is in the kit. So I like this one. Now the one that's on sale right now is this bottom one. This is the 4-tool combo kit. There's your item number right there. And this is everything that comes in it. You've got the hammer drill, the impact driver, the recip saw, the flashlight, a 5 amp hour battery, and here's my favorite right here, the power stack battery. Those things are tiny and light. And of course the charger in the bag. And Lowe's has this as a limited time deal for $449, down from $499. And so this basically started last week, and it runs until first week of January, like many of the deals here. And so that's the kit right there. See? Now they also have 3 other multi-tool combo kits that they have listed for their Black Friday time frame tool deals here at Lowe's. So you have the 3-tool combo kit, which has the router in there, and it has the palm sander, and it also has the jigsaw. Those are 3 great woodworking tools. So this is really meant to be like a woodworker's kind of a kit, and it's down to $369 from $449. You can also get here this 5-tool combo kit, and it comes with a couple of batteries as well. This is a good middle-of-the-line kit to get right here if you're just starting in business and you need a bunch of tools. So there's your kit right there. It's $449. They say down from $679. But if you really want to go full bore and dive in off the deep end, there you go. There's your 7-tool combo kit right there for $649. And you'll want to make sure that that drill there is a hammer drill so that you can drill into concrete. Okay, now we have some DeWalt kit deals. And like I say, people ask me during the year, what's a great starter kit or drill to get? These are the ones, and they do it every single year, folks. Actually, in the past, like years ago, these were $99. But anyway, the new deal on these kits is you can get a drill driver kit with a battery, the drill driver, the bag, and the charger. Everything you need to start out as a homeowner there for $119. And they also have the impact driver version of it right there. Or you could buy both in the kit for $169. You could also do that. That's a great starter way to get into the DeWalt platform as a homeowner and still have two really good versatile tools. And so that's what we're seeing up on the sign. So these are $20 more than they were, say, like a couple of years ago. It's not too bad, you know, so it's nothing to really panic over. It might be from the tariffs. We simply don't know yet.